Hello and welcome to a tutorial on how to choose images for Click step. For this purpose, we will use the OpenOffice application that you can free download. First, we will click on Spreadsheet icon because we want to use an application that has multiple similar images to explain to you how to choose the correct anchors. All the images on the top of this image can be top anchors, then we have right and left anchors, and at the bottom, we have bottom anchors. You can use either a small picture or a big picture for the anchor, depending on what you have. Let's now see how it looks inside the step. We have already created a step for opening our application, so we will now add an advanced click step and choose that application. We will set a timeout for 2000. Now we will add images of the element. You can add image from clipboard or from file. For the number of retries, we will set it to 3 times with a 2-second interval between each try. After adding the element, we will add anchors and select the anchor type. For the right anchor, we will add only the text spreadsheet. Let's now add bottom anchor. For the bottom anchor, those icons will be in one image. Let's see how well our application looks like after clicking on Spreadsheet. This is similar to Excel, each cell is the same. Now we will add a step for the robot to click on cell B5. We will add the cell image as the element. Since each cell is the same, we must add anchors. For the B5 cell, we must add a column, so as the top anchor, we will select the image B. For the left anchor, we will add image 5. Save the process and close the application before running it. That was easy and quick. If you need more detailed information on how to choose images, you can visit our knowledge base. Thank you for watching this video.